आज कम भीड़ है, सही है।
So guys, just look how cool the blue city looks from here. So guys, let's enter the fort and check it out from inside. Guys, I am gonna give everything to make this vlog as interesting as it can be. And our plan for now is to reach at the top or the terrace part without using lift. Guys, behind me you can see it's written Rao Jodhaji's Falsa. So Rao Jodhaji was the 15th ruler of Marwar who built this fort in 1459. And guys, now we'll going to the top of Mehrangarh fort without using the lift. Yes, you heard it right. This fort even has a lift, and let's see how the view is from here. And guys, this whole area is converted into a restaurant at the evening time, and it's quite delightful as well. We have arrived at the top of Mehrangarh fort, and यहाँ से काफ़ी सही व्यू है पूरे सिटी का. Guys, this is the pulley system which was used to get the water to the top. And guys, this whole area which you see and also these walls, all these are the borders of the fort itself. Oh my god. And guys, just look how cool the blue city looks from here. And guys, now we'll be going to the other side of the fort, but first let me show you how cool the fort itself looks from the top. So this is the area from where we came to the top. And guys, I really loved the Marwari architecture of the fort, and every minute details here have been taken care of. Now we'll be exploring the museum side of the fort. And guys, this is the Mahadol which was brought here from Gujarat as a prize of war. And some ancient swords are displayed over here. And guys, here is the Sheesh Mahal which was used as a private temple in the past. Now we'll be going to the Phool Mahal as well as Takhat Villa, which is quite delightful to see as well. And guys, here is the Phool Mahal which is made entirely of gold. एंड गाइस, इवन हमें फोर्ट के इस पार्ट से भी उम्मैद भवन साफ साफ दिखाई दे रहा है और कुछ ही समय में हम फोर्ट के दूसरे हिस्से में भी जाएंगे और देखेंगे वहां से उम्मैद भवन का नज़ारा कैसा दिखाई देता है। And guys, one interesting thing here is all you see here at the top is red sandstone which was used to make the top of the museum of the Mehrangarh fort. And now we'll proceed on the other side of the fort, which is quite delightful to watch as well. Guys, let me show you the Umaid Bhavan. If I can zoom into the camera, over there you can see Umaid Bhavan. I'll be visiting there in a while and we'll be exploring Umaid Bhavan as well. And currently Maharaja Gaj Singh II, who is the current ruler, resides there. And guys, here is the famous Chamunda Devi temple which was established by Rao Jodha ji. And guys, all the architecture that you see above is made of red sandstone and is quite delightful to watch. And guys, I am stunned by the beauty of this fort and I really wish to visit here sometimes again in the future. So guys, I really loved this fort. It's truly an engineering marvel and I hope that you liked it too. I'll be going for some lunch and after that I'll be going to the Umaid Bhavan.
1 hour later.
So guys, we have arrived at the Umaid Bhawan, and the Umaid Bhawan is divided into two parts. One part is the museum and the other part is the Taj Hotel. We'll be going to the museum part. So guys, here is the replica of the Umaid Bhawan itself, and on the first floor you can see the paintings of all the kings who ruled. And guys, here are some artifacts as well, but we aren't allowed to go inside and touch them. Also, here's a gramophone which looks very old. And over here are some polo sticks as well as trophies which were won. And over here are some antique collection of clocks, and I really have no clue about when these were made and anything about their history. Anyways, let's have a look around. And over here is the most unique one I have found in the entire collection. Yes, old antique cards owned by Maharajas. Yes. So guys, just in front of Umaid Bhawan we have an antique car collection. We'll go there and have a look, and let's see if I could recognize some of those cars. So guys, due to the reflection of sunlight, I couldn't clearly see all these cars. I could barely recognize them. Some of the information is displayed over here, and this one is a Rolls Royce, this one is Cadillac. So guys, that was pretty much it from my visit of Umaid Bhawan, and over here is the area where the Taj Hotel is located, and we aren't allowed to go there. We need to book a room, only then we can visit. Also guys, I can clearly see the runway from here. So there is the airport of Jodhpur, which is quite far away from IITJ, and it's quite close to Umaid Bhawan. And over here is some posh locality, and that was pretty much it from my trip to Jodhpur. I really enjoyed visiting Mehrangarh Fort as well as Umaid Bhawan. I really enjoyed my stay at IITJ as well, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog too. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.